Welcome everyone to AGS107 week one. So these are the week one instructions. So if you haven't already done so, read fully the information on the welcome page, including when the assignments are due. There's also some information here about how to use Excel. There's some Excel training videos, and you can download Microsoft Office 365 by clicking the link on the welcome page. The other thing that you need to do is to click on the subject outline tab and read the subject outline fully. So this is a PDF version of the subject outline. So very important that you go through this, you read everything, have a look at the schedule, when the assessment items are due, what topics we are covering each week, and of course, very importantly, the assessment items, when they are due and which ones they are, how much they are worth. So the individual instructions for each of the assessment items are posted here. And it's very important that you have a good look at that. The other thing that we ask you to do in the weekly instructions for week one is, after having a look at the welcome page, the subject outline, make note of the assessment dates, plan around those, read all the announcements. So in the announcements tab, there will be some announcements. Usually there's one or two a week. Very important that you read those. The other thing we would like you to do is to go to the discussions forum, go to the introductions, and create a thread and introduce yourself there. The other thing that we want you to do in week one is you need to study the first two modules. So module 0 before we get started, and module 1, introduction to precision agriculture and GPS. And make sure that you work through the tutorials, the review questions, and try out the multiple choice questions at the end of the module. And for the distance students, prepare for and attend the online meeting. We'll advise you exactly when that is, and the details will be placed in the online meeting tab. Internal students are most welcome to attend the online meetings, but they're actually intended more for the distance education students. Internal students will have direct access to the lecturer in the lectures, and that's the time to ask and answer questions, whereas for DEs, we do it in the online meeting each week.